Lockpickers, and what we have today is the 6-lever ERA insurance padlock. It's the ERA Big 6. That's the bit under the key. See the ERA stamped, insurance, and the Big 6 just here. And this is quite a heavy padlock, very beefy, hardened shackle. So let's see what it takes to get into the insurance Big 6. As always guys, I'm looking for tight resistant levers, and the ones that are springy I'm leaving alone. And then I'm going through the pack and seeing how high the gates are. I'm getting a couple of turns as I'm going through on the tension wrench, a couple of knocks, so I know some are getting set. Doing small nudges as I go through the pack. I've only opened this the once as well, and it was a bit quicker. Couple more turns there. I feel most of them are set. Not too sure which one it is yet. It must be one at the front. There we go. The ERA insurance Big 6. Thanks for watching. See you next time.